Hi guys! So today I wanted to do a demo of this lip mask called Lip Sleeping Mask from Mamonde. So I just got out of the shower and realized that my lips could not be drier than this. I don't know if you guys feel the same, but I get these like white dead skin around my lips. I mean, I try to turn on my humidifier at night. I put on chapstick, I try everything, but still like this. I just can't do anything about it. Like, it's always like this during the winter time, so I thought, why not give this a try? So it claims that it's a multi-purpose lip sleeping mask and a moisturizing lip balm that's supposed to gently exfoliate your lips, creating this beautiful glossy look and moisturized lips. It says to get the maximum result, wear the sleeping mask overnight, but I'm just gonna wear this during the day and see what happens. This is how the exterior looks. The smell is really gentle. You almost can't really smell anything. So it's like a wax. It's like a regular chapstick texture. I'm just gonna put it on. It's not grainy or anything, it's just very waxy. I don't feel anything different right now. It just feels like a regular chapstick. So I'm just gonna wear this for, I don't know, as long as I can until baby Ihan wakes up. So I'll let you know. I'll be back. Hi, so I'm back. It's been around 3 hours since I put the lip mask on. It actually feels really good. It made it smooth. White flaky stuff that I had around the lining of the lips is gone. When I try to rub it, I don't see any dead skins peeling off. So I don't know if it does like any of the exfoliating jobs, but one thing that I am pretty sure of is that it will leave your lips moisturized. And the stickiness that I had in the beginning is pretty much gone. This is priced at around $12 to $14 depending on which store you go, but I guess my final verdict is that it's much more affordable than any of the other similar lip gloss products. So I wouldn't say this is like an exfoliator. It's more like a lip balm or lip gloss that you can wear throughout the day or when you're sleeping to moisturize your lips. I think I would buy it for the price because there's pretty good amount in there, so I feel like it's gonna last me like the whole season, and that's not bad. So alright, there was my review. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining me. I think it left my lips more plump too. Plump and more reddish, which is a good thing. My lips are usually really dry and pale, so I like it.